Do you like watching TV? Yes, I like watching TV a lot. I usually watch it in the evening, after school. My favorite programs are cartoons and game shows because they are funny and relaxing. I often watch TV with my family. It helps me learn new things and makes me happy. Watching TV is my favorite free time activity.
Do you like watching TV?
Yes, I like it a lot.
When do you usually watch TV?
In the evening after school.
What kinds of programs do you like?
I like cartoons and game shows
Why do you like those programs?
because they are funny and relaxing.
Who do you watch TV with?
I watch with my family.
How does watching TV help you?
It helps me learn new things.
How do you feel when watching TV?
I feel happy.
What is your favorite free time activity?
Watching TV.